Hi guys, welcome back to the Rusty Blades YouTube barber channel. I know I've been away for a while and I haven't been getting as many videos out as I wanted to, but today we're going to be talking the heat stroke from Stylecraft. Stylecraft have been kind enough to send me this. I have actually had a go with it, so there will be some footage in this as well. So stick around till the end of it and you'll get to see me using that, and let's crack on with it. Hi guys, so like I said, what we're going to be having a look at today, we're going to unbox the Stylecraft Heat Wave, which is like absolutely awesome for doing beards, and even you can do your hair. So let's have a look inside, let's see what we get. So again, we don't expect anything less from Gamma and Stylecraft. You know, it's always in like such nice casings and boxings and that. Let's take out the heat stroke. So this is actually the heat stroke. It's not very heavy. It's, you know, it just feels really nice in the hand, to be fair. You've got your power switch, and just hold that. That obviously brings up your menu. I don't know if you can see that. So it's got your 3 different settings, which is you've got 310 Fahrenheit, 350 Fahrenheit, and then you've got 400 Fahrenheit. I have had it out of the box and I have had it heated up, and it did take a while the first time for it to actually heat up. I normally put it on 400 Fahrenheit and it did take a while, but the few times that I've had it on before, it seems to have heated up quite nice and it's got to the temperature a lot quicker. So that's probably just something to do with the heating element inside, just getting it like worn in. So we'll just turn that off. As the cover that just slides on, just to keep it protected. So that's the actual heat stroke. Then you get your USB power adapter. Again, this is the American one, so I actually have to use an adapter for that. You get your USB cable, but again, you know, it's USB-C, so it does charge up quick when you use this. And you get a nice like little velvet bag to put it in, so that's quite nice. And that's same with the Stylecraft and the Gamma Unos. They come with a little velvet pouch as well. So again, you know, they always think of all these little nice touches to keep your products safe. So yeah, there isn't really much else that I can say about that. I believe it retails on the Stylecraft website for, I believe it's $69.99, I think. Don't hold me to that one, and if it isn't, I'll put it across on the bottom of the screen actually how much it is. So yeah, so that's the heat stroke from Stylecraft. And again, if you want any of the products that I'm unboxing and showing and reviewing, get over to stylecraft.com and obviously gamma.com, and you can purchase these using code Rusty10. So, you know, all these, if anyone does buy these, it does help the channel out. So the heat stroke, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, remember to smash that like, the notifications, and even drop me a subscribe. It'd be a massive help. So I'll catch you in the next one.